Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very basic, very simple sword effect in UE5.1 Niagara, and let's start this. So let's create a new label and I'll save this into sword effects folder. Okay, so it's saved here and let's start creating effects. So first I need a sword and I will use I think I will use particle system for that. So let's use Niagara content and I'll rename this FX. Okay. And my system is slow today. I don't know why. Let it open. So in this FX, this will be our sword and let's delete this and take a mesh render and let me check if there's any sword in the Quixel content. So let me check. So we will search here sword. Yeah, it has some swords, and I guess I will